Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, it gives an idea on how we can configure the extra features of the approval module with Odoo 15 Studio. So using the toggle studio, let's see how to configure the extra features, and here we can see the different approval requests in the approval dashboard. This platform where the manager logs in can view the approval request from the other employees through their window. So once the studio module is clicked, it will be redirected to the configuration menu to maintain and add new features to the existing request menu. By moving to the views tab in the Odoo Studio under the Odoo 15 in the form view, you will be navigated to the approval type window to add the pipeline status if required or remove it as per your business requirement. So we can click on this add a pipeline status bar, and here we can make the possible changes and click on this confirm button. And if you do not require the pipeline status at the approval type, we need to move to the left hand side and click on this edit values option from the properties. And the edit values option is redirected to a window that mention the field properties. By clicking on this delete icon, you can remove this. And by moving to the my request under the my approval tab, let's see how we can add extra features with the Odoo 15 Studio module. So by selecting this add option, you will get various fields to add by simply dragging and dropping to a specific area from the left hand side box. So you will be able to edit or create the distinctive field created by marking or enabling the box found by clicking on this view option. By selecting a respective field, you can configure it with the properties seen on the left hand side. So now by enabling the set approval rules at the selected respective field, you can configure the distinctive field. Here we can enable or disable the limit approver to the rule by adding the description here. And also you can add the approval rule. Also additionally, you can add the rainbow man function on the basis of limiting the visibility of groups by enabling the rainbow effect. And if you do not require the distinctive additive field, you can choose a remove from view button and it will enhance you to remove the section. So with this rainbow effect enabling, you can allow the message visibility, and also you can configure and display the image based on the message form. So by observing the window, the approve button enhance you with the access right, mentioning the awaiting approval, showing the tick mark and wrong mark that belongs to the approve and reject button. Upon the user describing the awaiting approval can be configured here, and it is the autonomy in the configuration aspect of approval. So with this video, we conclude that the Odoo 15 Studio module makes you customize your business application to your requirement. And in this video, it defines the additional modification that can be customized through the approval module in Odoo 15 Studio. So this modification make the business operation with ease and dexterous features that encompasses more beneficial to your business. That's all about the video. Thank you for watching.